I have time.
Yeah, it is.
Do they own this one or?
I have no clue. Probably. Should we keep walking and see what it looks like? These are tiny little dinky chairs.
We're sitting on train tracks.
Interesting.
So it's coming from this way, so you know if a train comes, just let me know so I can run out.
A coffee have.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Can we get one egg coffee?
One egg coffee and you? A beer?
Hey guys, it's Sebastian, and today we are at Train Street in Hanoi. So this is a pretty unique spot because we're on the train tracks and trains actually still run through this. Instead of it just being train tracks, it's a coffee shop area. Lots of different shops around here, people having food, drinking beer, and throughout the day, multiple times, there's going to be a train that comes through and they move all the chairs, all these little tables and stuff, and it's kind of like a parting of the sea, which is kind of crazy. So we're about 30 minutes away from that, so we're gonna enjoy a coffee first and then see what happens.
There's the train times over there.
If you want food, a lot of different options. Spring rolls have been pretty good in Hanoi, and then these are going to be the train times, 6 a.m., 9 a.m., and then also some other times for the other way. So we're waiting for the 15:31, which is the 3:31. And then in case you're wondering, some drink options as well. I was originally going to get a hot coffee, but it's a bit too hot. The restaurant we decided to pick was this one. I think most of them are the same, but it's just, in terms of photography and stuff, it made more sense because the middle ones were a bit more packed, and this one is more isolated. And now Mandy's enjoying the coconut.
This one's actually sweet. You'll like this one.
I ended up getting a coconut and Mandy's egg latte, egg coffee. Egg coffee is coming. I'm not really a fan of the egg coffee, a bit too sweet for me, but I do like the bottom of it. Coconuts here are a lot better than, yeah, the Bali coconuts were not good. I don't know why.
You can see that.
I was not a fan of the Balinese coconuts or the Thai coconut. Coconuts here are really sweet, really good. We're waiting for the train. This is a really good coconut. Do you want me on that side or do you want me to be on this side?
Yeah, leave the backpack here.
I have time.
After the train.
I imagine it as a very slow train, but sounds like that's not it.
I wouldn't say slow train.
Pretty fast train. Okay. So still pretty fast. Cool.
Oh, he's like posing on the tracks.
To byla tak, že vidíš mě nebo končím?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Side note, Bai Cafe has very, very, very good service because they did not have to cut that open for me, and they did. So yeah. They cut open the coconut for me. I've been to places that happily would not do that.
A lot of hawker stands are like, stop trying to eat the rest of the coconut. Sub, are you enjoying your coconut?
Calm, peaceful train tracks. Real life.
Well, yeah, you can get a bit of